our changing world. The word community has changed a great deal since the advent of social media platforms. While we've always had local communities, we now have large, global, online communities. Now people can start hashtag campaigns to instigate societal change. Education is also developing due to technology. These days, people can use online learning apps, interactive whiteboards, e-books, or virtual learning platforms. Communication has also advanced thanks to the proliferation of smartphones and wearable devices such as smartwatches and virtual reality headsets. People can give verbal orders to their phones and other devices with the help of voice-responsive virtual assistants. Smart products have also revolutionized consumer habits. With the push of a button, you can purchase goods using cryptocurrencies, the latest method of cashless transaction, while online shopping. Technology is changing the face of global politics as well. The rise of digital activism and the increase of fake news stories have greatly impacted the political world. Online leaks and data hacking have resulted in numerous security issues and scandals. Global energy demand is also leading to the rise of cleaner energy. Governments are now actively promoting and funding renewable energy sources and carbon footprint initiatives. Energy companies are establishing smart power grids, while cities around the world are creating low-emission zones to help reduce pollution. Society is developing so rapidly that it is changing the way we live in all spheres of life.